All right, so finally got everything I needed to do the new impeller for the Wave Runner. We got the new wear ring, we got all the installation tools. This guy came with it. This guy I had to buy extra. New impeller. So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started?
Yeah, let's get started. But
All
I'm
right.
probably not even going to ride it because it's too fast.
Too fast?
Mm-hmm.
Never be too fast. So,
It's not going to be too fast. I'm going to ride it.
you're gonna ride it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been driving lately, haven't you?
Yeah. I drive the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this bad boy is going to be faster than the boat.
Yeah, it is. All right, let's get started. Well, I realized my phone kept dying as I was putting this in. iPhone storage got too low, so I didn't get any good videos of putting this back in. But to summarize, I'm gonna just use blue RVT gasket maker, where gasket sealer was used before. I put in a new wear ring, but it went together pretty easy. No major issues, anything like that. So I'm just gonna keep going and get this thing back together. Well, that's it. Pretty time-consuming install. Took me a few hours, but really not that complicated. It just took some time. But let's get this thing out in the water and see what it does. so that's it for the impeller. 57 miles an hour. Is less than what I was expecting, but I mean it's enough. It's doing a little bit better than I was before. Before I just barely hit 55, so the fact that I'm hitting 55, 56 with the new impeller is pretty good. Just touching 57, heading the right way with the tides. The old impeller, a little beat up, nothing crazy. The wear ring was also, I mean, it's a little dinged here and there, but looks pretty good as well.
Hop in them on.
I mean, that fits pretty darn good. But at least we got it done. New impeller, new wear ring. I still have the intake grate on order. I've been waiting weeks for it. So hopefully that'll get here pretty soon. But
more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.